We need policy interventions that will encourage our exports. We all agree that 7 million Kenyans today live in informal settlements, suffer the indignity of living in settlements that do not have adequate water, do not have adequate sanitation. They are our brothers and sisters. We all agree that our agricultural land is threatened by subdivision, and food insecurity is a reality. That is why we have a conversation about the high cost of living. We need to do something about it. We all agree that borrowing is not the way out of our current situation, that our debt has increased from about 4 trillion to 9 trillion in 5-6 short years. We must reconcile ourselves to that truth. So, as we participate in this important debate on the finance bill, let us ask God to open our eyes and enable us clearly see the real choices that we have to make.